Hello guys, welcome to Chocolate's Fire Alarms. Today, we will be testing my Wheelock NS school testing game. Let's go. Also, this is the first game of the series. Alarm, cover. These alarms sure are loud. Reset time. Classroom number 1 fire alarm. Classroom number 2 fire alarm. Library fire alarms. Really loud in real life. Men's bathroom fire alarm. Women's bathroom fire alarm. Principal's office fire alarm and control. Time to reset the alarms. Hope you enjoyed the first video of the series. Next video will be on Wheelock. Peace out.